Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life in an Acura MDX. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the selector knob on your dashboard. Use this knob to navigate through the menus until you find the maintenance section. Once you're in the maintenance menu, select the oil life option that appears on your display screen. This is the initial step to begin the reset process. Now that you've selected oil life, press and hold the selector knob for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage display on your screen will start to flash, indicating it's ready for a reset. Once it begins flashing, release the knob. Then, immediately press and hold the knob again. This second press and hold action is crucial for confirming your intention to reset the oil life monitor. After holding the knob the second time, the oil life display on your Acura MDX will reset to 100%. This change confirms that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset. It's important to remember that resetting the oil life should always follow an actual oil change. Make sure all other scheduled maintenance items are addressed according to your vehicle's recommendations to keep your MDX running smoothly. Always remember to perform an actual oil change before you reset the oil life monitor. This ensures your vehicle truly has fresh oil and prevents confusion about its maintenance status. For the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular Acura MDX model, always consult your owner's manual. It contains detailed information tailored to your vehicle. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.